Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides like this and rotate it. Follow the same step for few more times. Tie the hairs and rotate it. Now at the end we will make the plaits like this on the hairs. Now fold it upward. After that, fix it using the hairpin and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs using this tool. So fix the hairs inside it like this. Now roll it and pull it down. Now fold the hairs upward like this slowly and carefully. Fold it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now using this tool, roll the hairs upward like this and fold it. Now spread the hairs. Now using this bun pin, fix it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail and tie the rubber band on the bottom part. Now using this tool, fold the hairs upward like this and fold it to make a bun. Fix it and now spread the hairs and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs and then rotate it like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts, tie it again and then rotate it. Now fix it on the alternative side using this hairstyling tool. Now tie all the hairs, tie it, divide it and then rotate it. Fix it on the bun like this. Fix it using the hairpins, tie the hairs and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Tie the hairs like this and then fix it inside the hairs on the top. Now spread the hairs and fix it like as shown in the video. Spread it like this and fix it using a hair clutch and it's ready. Next, we will tie the plaits on the back like this. Leave few section of the hairs in the front as shown. Now fold it upward, fix it like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix it like this on the alternative sides using this hairstyling tool. Make the plaits on the right side like this. Fix the hair by folding it and it's ready. Next, fix this bun making stick on the hair like this. Now slowly and carefully rotate the hairs around the stick as we are doing in this video. Roll it. Now tie it from the end using the rubber band. Now fold it on the top and make a bun out of it. Fold it very carefully as we are doing in this video. Now fix it and fold it again and your bun is ready. Thanks for watching.